Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 17, Great Inventions. So we see many things around us that make our lifestyle possible. Read about some inventions that changed our way of life and name them with the help of a clue box. The first question is here. This was developed in 1978 and was made to pinpoint our exact position to within a couple of meters with the help of up to 32 satellites. It became a great invention of explorers, paramedics and pilots. GPS. Second question. It allows us to borrow money from a bank to make purchases, whether we are buying a burger or a round trip to another country. As long as we pay back the money we borrow within the grace period of 25-30 days, we do not have to pay extra, that is credit card. It is a machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. It may be constructed to take on human form, but mostly it is designed to perform a task with no regard to how it looks, that is robot. It is an optical machine, readable representation of data. The data usually describes something about the object that carries this set of black and white lines, that is barcode. It is a computerized machine that permits bank customers to gain access to their accounts with a magnetically encoded plastic card and a code number, that is ATM machine. It is a portable electronic device developed by Apple Inc. to allow users to upload and play their music. Using the device, it has amazing storage capability, the largest model being able to store more than 30,000 songs, that is iPod. 18. Sickness alarm. ठीक है. So our body is subject to attack from different diseases. Read the clues and name the diseases using the clue box. The development of multiple itchy blisters all over the body. Such blisters typically start on the face and trunk before spreading, that is chicken pox. Second, a disease in which abnormal cells grow, divide and spread, that is cancer. A serious infectious disease that mainly affects the lungs. Symptoms include cough, weight loss and fever, that is tuberculosis. It occurs when part of your brain does not get the blood that it needs, that is stroke. A disease caused by a virus that attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis, that is polio. Inflammation of one or more joints causing pain and stiffness. It can worsen with age, that is arthritis. A disease of the lungs. It makes it difficult for an air to move in and out of the lungs, that is asthma. a learning disorder characterized by difficulty in reading, that is dyslexia. dyslexia, a condition that results into much sugar in the blood or high blood glucose, that is diabetes. A disorder in which the blood does not clot normally, that is hemophilia, that is HEMOPHILIA. Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 19, that is Brilliant Brains. So read the clues given below and name this famous scientist and physicist. So Greek mathematician and physicist discovered the laws of floating bodies, that is Archimedes. Great Indian scientist made a special study of plant physiology and claimed that plants have life and soul, that is J.C. Bose. British natural scientists, after studying animal life in South Sea, wrote The Origin of Species on the Theory of Evolution, that is Charles Darwin. Italian scientist and professor of mathematics, he was the first person to study the sky using a telescope, is Galileo Galilei, that is Galilei. Greek physician dedicated to the cause of medical science, known as father of medicine, that is Hippocrates, Hippocrates, Hippocrates. French scientist established that combustion is form of chemical action, gave oxygen its name, Antoine Lavoisier, that is Antoine Lavoisier. British physicist and mathematician. His laws of motion are foundation of science of mechanics, that is Isaac Newton, Isaac Newton, Newton. Swedish scientist invented dynamite, bequeathed wealth collected from the manufacture of explosives for annual prizes to those contributing most in the fields of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, etc. That is Alfred Nobel, ALFRED Nobel. French scientist, founder of microbiology and immunology, that is Louis Pasteur. It is LOUISPASTEUR. Indian physics discovered Raman effect, which won him Nobel Prizes in physics in 1930, that is C.V. Raman, RAMAN, Raman. Chapter 20, Cyber World. Internet has transformed every facet of life in the last 10 years. The age of internet has taken the world to new heights of excellence in education, medicine, communication, and almost all walks of governance. Answer the following questions by writing the correct number of the option beside each clue. So, a method using infrared, ultraviolet or radio waves of connecting computers into network, that is second one, that is wireless network. So write the second, wireless network. A company that sells internet hours at certain pre-assigned rates. That is fourth one. Okay, sixth one, internet service provider. Third is software or hardware device that protects a computer from offensive websites and potential hackers. The third answer. So rest you will have to do your homework. So पीछे के पेज में, बैक पेज में, आपके बुक के लास्ट पेज में, you can see there is an answer key given here. So cyber world, you can see here there is given. So options, page number 34, it's mentioned. So you have to write the answer according to it. Okay, thank you so much.